Honda Civic FD. Install Lenovo D1 Plus 10.1-inch Android GPS player with Cogoo Dark view, super wide reverse camera, OEM good fitting casing, OEM power socket plug and play, IPS screen, multi-angle view, fully touchscreen. Make sure you for reverse, so it's super wide. Lenovo D1 Plus setting, network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet. Android version 8, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. A full menu, video input and video output, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music, phone for Bluetooth call. You have to pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Click search, pairing. After connect, you can click for the BT music for share your phone music to Car Player. It's got a mic input here, mic input and reset in. And also Lenovo player is come with a external microphone, Bluetooth external microphone, Equalizer, loudness on off, file manager, 10.1-inch, no DVD, no SD card. It's come with 2 USB slot, USB extension. We'll put in a drawer. You can connect with a USB pen drive or portable hard disk. Back. Play Store, download app. Easy connect, mirror link. Selected phone model. Selected car model can connect steering control. Screen off, nighttime driving, music or radio keep on. Touch anyway to turn it on. Setting. Okay, and a car setting. General setting, common. The handbrake you have turned off. So headlight. Okay, nighttime driving, turn on headlight. It's got a light on the left hand side and auto dim. So when I turn off, it's more bright. Okay, Navi software, preset, set for waves and sound missing. System setting, factory setting, a password 2468. Change your boot logo or high-spec car model can set Canbus. Video PIP, turn on video PIP. Lenovo D1 Plus. Video, play video. So when I press the home button, this is video PIP, picture in picture. square icon, speed screen, left, right. Okay, all clear apps. Okay, one by one. Or close all. Okay, radio. Select the frequency you want. Long press to save it.
我不可能可以驾驭寒风。
Okay, so this is 10.1 inch Android big screen GPS player, Lenovo D1 Plus, 8-core processor, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage for Honda Civic FD 2006 to 2011 version. OEM casing plug and good fitting, OEM power socket plug and play. Thank you. Installed by OneBiz. Video by Andy. Thank you.